Hi guys, I'm EP. In this video, we are going to see how to analyze a company which is issuing a bond. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before we are going to do the analysis, first let us know the classification of bonds. Okay, typically government and corporate will issue bonds. On behalf of the government, there are two types. One issued by the RBI and the public sector companies will issue bonds. In RBI, there are T-bills, central government bonds, state government bonds, and sovereign gold bonds, that is SGB. And there is a public sector companies. Okay, first thing we should know is the real owner behind these companies are government. We believe the government and the economy, then we can invest in these bonds. Okay, but in case of the corporate bonds, there is a single promoter or a group of shareholders will run their company, so that we should do a little bit analysis to reduce our risk in their investment. Okay, this website is called wintwealth.com. In the issuer type, I am selecting the PSU companies, that is public sector companies. And if you see here, the NTPC Limited, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, and so on, each company will issue the bond for their development. Okay, see the every public sector companies, the ratings are always a stable one. Why? Because the real owner or a promoter is government, so that they don't get defaulted. Okay, and they also give a decent amount of interest to their investors. Okay, in case of the corporate bond, we can divide the analysis into three types. The first one is the rating companies, and second one is the promoter, and third one is net asset or a sales or a profit. Okay, let me explain. The rating here I mentioned is the companies like CRISIL, ICRA will analyze the bond and they will give the ratings according to their stability and their default risk. Okay, these are the rating companies, that is CRISIL, ICRA, and CARE. The first thing we should notice while going to invest in a corporate bond is what are the ratings given by the agencies about for their bond. If the bond is AAA rating, AA rating, then it is a safest bond. Okay, I will suggest you to invest only in the company which have AAA and AA ratings in their corporate bonds. And the second thing we should notice is the promoter. Who is the promoter of the company and what are all his work ethics? It's also called as a quality analysis, and how well the promoter is treating their shareholders and then their partners. It is a very important thing because the promoter can easily manipulate their accounting statement to show that they are making a high earnings or a high profit. Okay. Second thing we should understand and we should research about the promoter and their work ethics. And the third thing is net asset, sales, and the profit. Okay. Now let me explain. The net asset I am saying here is the company will have asset and liabilities. All the If we minus all the liabilities from the asset, whatever the remaining asset the company has, it is the net asset. It should be a positive one. Why we are checking this is, if in case of the company's default, the company is going to liquidate the asset and they are going to repay the money back to their investors. So first thing we should check is whether the company having a net positive asset or not. And second one is sales, whether the company is really doing business or not. The company's sales should be a very steady and growth one. Okay, and the third one is profitability of the company. Does the company is really making profit or not while selling their product or a service? Okay, you can see these things in an elaborate way in the fundamental analysis of a company upcoming videos. Okay, for now we should remember the three things while investing in the corporate bond. First one, the rating given by the rating agencies. Second one, how well the promoter will treat their shareholders and the bondholders, and the promoter's ethics and his background. And the third one is, does the company has the net positive asset, and does the company is making a progress in their sales, and does the company is really making profit. Okay, these are the basic analysis one should do while investing in a corporate bond. But in case of the government bond, if you believe in the government, then we can invest in the company. Okay, that's it for the video. Still next video, stay tuned. Thank you.